Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. Today, Threat Tracker is in the red as we have a winter weather advisory for all of eastern Iowa due to blowing and drifting snow. Tomorrow, Threat Tracker in the orange, a wind chill advisory in effect for much of eastern Iowa as temperatures, it feels like temperatures actually will likely get around 20 to 30 below zero. And by Friday, I have Threat Tracker in the yellow just because it's going to be so dangerously cold still out there. Winter weather advisory will set to expire 6 p.m. tonight for all of eastern Iowa. Again, it's for that blowing and drifting snow. We have gusty northwest winds blowing snow into the roadways, creating drifts in some spots around a foot or 2 feet high. And then we also have to deal with reduced visibilities out there because of that blowing snow. Look out at Cedar Rapids at Collins Road. You can see some of that snow blowing and drifting into the roadways, some partially covered roads. Just be mindful as you head out this morning that some of those roadways may still be slick. Plows have been out and about trying to clear some of this roads. The one on US 30 near Mount Vernon trying to clear out some of the shoulder, as that's where we're starting to see some of that snow pile up. Now the rural roads and those kind of a little bit out in the distance have the better chance of being covered by that blowing snow compared to those roads that are mainly centered around cities. So if you have to travel out in those kind of roads out in the middle of places and things like that, just be mindful of that as you head out the door. Road conditions to the north, we had a little bit of snowfall in our far northern counties, partially covered roads near Lansing due to drifting snow as well. But further south, especially the southern half of our viewing area, blue is partially covered. We have partially covered roads near Maquoketa, Monticello, Tipton, Cedar Rapids, Vinton, and Tama. We did see some improvement though near Tipton. There's just a completely covered road between Tipton and Davenport. Gusty winds continue through the morning, gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour. There's 43-mile-per-hour wind gust in Dubuque, and so that is ushering in that colder air. It's going to be quite chilly. We will have to deal with these gusty northwest winds, potentially up to 45 miles per hour throughout our morning and through much of the afternoon. Winds don't finally slow until this evening, and they're still going to be breezy, likely gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Let's talk temperature. This is Future Track Wednesday at noon. Temperatures likely in the low to mid-teens. As we approach this evening, though, skies will somewhat clear. That's going to allow temperatures fall to the single digits. And as we wake up and head to work tomorrow morning, we're likely going to see temperatures around the single digits below zero. But that's not as cold as it will get. Let's fast forward to Friday now. Midnight, temperatures already down in the single digits below zero. And by the time we head to work Friday morning, potentially single digits to low to mid-teens below zero. Feels like temperature likely around 30 below. Today's highs will be in the single digits, low teens south. Blowing snow will be possible throughout the morning hours. Tonight dropping down to the single digits below zero. And here's where we see those dangerous wind chills around 20 to 30 degrees below zero. City by city forecast. Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. We're making slow improvements as we approach the weekend. By Saturday, temperatures will actually be near 30 degrees once again, but we will have that chance of rain.